Yeah, hello. Yeah, so welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The names still remain the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes, and I'm the co-founder of Frando Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Here, we're talking about how to make money online, how to start your arbitrage, and a lot. Yeah, so before I start today's episode, please, if you're new here, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, so today I want to show you how you can send money from Nigeria to Ghana, and that's the Naira to Cedi Arbitrage on your phone. How you can send money from Nigeria to Ghana. So if you think this video is making sense to you, you can like and subscribe for more. Yeah, so before we start, these are the apps that we're using. Because I'm about to introduce the platform, so I will introduce the app as well, so that you can go on Play Store or Apple Store to download the app. So the app is called Eversend. So Eversend, yeah. When you open Eversend, this is how it is. If you're in Ghana, when you're doing registration, they will need your Ghana number and your ID card. If you're in Nigeria, the same thing. They will need your ID card and Nigeria number and your Gmail. So when you register everything finish, then you create your PIN, because it's a bank account, so nobody have to have access to the platform unless you give your PIN out. Yeah. So if you are new to the platform and you want to sign in, I will say that we have sign in over here and we have to create an account. So create an account is the new one. So let's assume you are from Nigeria. You input your Gmail over here, and they will make sure that you're using a valid Gmail, because they will send you a verification for you to verify your Gmail before you can continue. I hope you get it. Before you can continue. So it will be like Rando Technology at gmail.com. Rando Technology at gmail. Then you confirm it. So let's assume I'm in Nigeria. So they will send me some code for me to verify. So I'll go to my Gmail and I'll choose this. Everything that they have sent me a code. So I'll copy the code here and I'll come to the platform and I'll confirm it. So here I will choose Nigeria. Since I'm in Nigeria and I want to create an account to send money to Ghana, then I'll enter my Nigeria number, and the number too, it must be a valid number, because that one too, they will send you a verification code on it, but I don't have any Nigeria number, so the rest you can follow it. Yeah, so the rest you can follow. Yeah, so after that, when you come to the platform, let me try logging into my account. I'm trying logging into my account. Yeah, so after that, let me log into my account first so that we'll continue on. So then you enter your PIN to log in. So when you open the account, this is how the account looks like. So if you are in Nigeria, you see Naira to be your main balance. This is my Naira account. You see the Naira to be your main account. Yeah. So right now, ever since I've seen that there are a lot of Nigerian Ghanaians doing arbitrage on this. So if you're in Ghana, for you to deposit in your Nigeria account has been what disconnected unless you exchange. So I'll show you that way. Yeah. So I'm doing it in Ghana. So imagine it you are following me in Nigeria. So you have to follow the same procedure. So in Ghana, if I click on the fund, I have mobile money, flutter waves. That the same thing applies to Nigeria. You'll be having bank details and everything for you to what deposit the money inside. Yeah. So if I click on flutter wave, I can do it. If I click on more money to can choose any of them and what do it. So I'll go to this plat and enter the amount and how to do it. But let's focus on the Nigerian Ghana. Have you seen that I've sent money to a Nigerian person before? I have done a lot, but like right now, the data, their rankings from November upwards. So all last year data have been deleted from the platform. Yeah. So if you are in Nigeria and you want to send money to Ghana, this is how you do it. First of all, you will let the person you want to send the money to also download Eversend, and the person have to verify the Eversend accounts. In Ghana, for you to create the account and get mobile money, it's not easy. But if you link up with me, I will create it for you and you'll be getting your mobile money instantly, so that you can deposit through more money. If you create it on your own, maybe you can't get the more money to do transactions. Yeah, so I can create it for you on a low cost and you get more money in it for all your transactions and everything. Yeah. So before you can do the transaction or do your Naira to Cedi Arbitrage, the person also has to download the Eversend app. And after the person have downloaded the Eversend app, the person also have to verify the app. So after verifying the app, you will deposit your money in your Naira account. And Naira account, after that, you can exchange the Naira to cedis, or you can send the money from Naira to cedis and automatically they will exchange it for you. Let me show you. Have you seen send here? I'll go to send. So let's assume the person also have created an account on the platform. So let me choose this Nigeria guy, for example. I work with this Nigeria guy. So let's assume the top one is Naira and then down one is what Ghana cedis. If you're in Nigeria, that's how you do it. But if you're in Ghana too, in order to send money to Nigeria person, that's how you'll do it. So watch it very carefully. Yeah. So if I said that I'm going to send 1,000 cedis to Nigeria, automatically the platform will exchange it for me. So it means that if I'm sending 1,000 to the person will also receive 8,588 with no fee. If I'm sending the money from this platform to the person on the platform, the fee will be zero, no fee. If I'm sending the money to the person, no fee. If the person is also withdrawing the money, no fee. I hope you get it. Yeah. So you can also add notes that maybe it's your customer. Maybe it's your customer. You see, you can also add notes to it so that it will alert the person that okay, this and that. You see, so automatically when you send the money from your Ghana cedis to the Naira, the platform has already converted the money from Ghana cedis to Naira, and the person will receive this money in his Eversend account. So when the person receives the money in his Eversend account, automatically the person cannot withdraw the money. So these are the people I've been trading with, and they are on my contact list. You see that thing? Yeah. So let's say that the person is not on Eversend. The person have bank accounts. That one, the person don't need to create Eversend accounts. But if you go to bank, you can add the person bank details to it, and you do it for the person. But mostly, I will tell you that let the person also create Eversend account, because that transaction is very easily and fast. When you're doing it on Eversend to Eversend, it's very fast. But when you're doing to, let's say, Eversend to more money bank accounts, it can take you 20 to 15 to 20 minutes for the person to receive the money. But when it's Eversend to Eversend, it takes, let's say, 1 minute for the person to receive the money. So I always advise you that let your customer also, or let your client also create Eversend account, so that it will make your transaction smooth and easy. You see that thing? It made the transaction smooth and easy. Yeah. So in this case, you can send more money. Let's say 100,000. You see, and the person will receive 8 million naira. You see that thing? So it's very easy. You see that thing? It's very easy. It's very, very easy. It's very easy. So this one, mostly, this how I do. I use this account to make money. At times, we'll be doing crypto trading, and I'll be sending the money from here, so that the person will send me the money through here. I'll buy crypto for him. I'll send it to him. We make profits. We share profits. You see that thing? So that's how it is. It's very easy. It's very easy. Yeah. So if you want to send money from Ghana to Nigeria to Ghana, this is how you do it. This is how you do it, and it's very easy for you to do it. And if you don't understand anything, you can leave another comment section, and I'll guide you as well. But if you're in Ghana and you want the Ghana cedis, and you're adding funds and you can't do it, it means that you didn't create the account very well, and you can chat me, and I can recreate the account for you, and you'll be getting your more money attached to it, so that you can also do your transaction through your more money and everything. Yeah. So I'm there for you, and thank you for watching me, and keep following me. I'm out.